Tulsi Kumar, Spur Srivastava, and Pratibha Ranta, welcome to CNN News 18.
Thank you so much.
To all of you here, you all have come together for the song Sacha Wala Pyar. So, Tulsi, first, please tell us about the song and what appealed to you about the video.
The song, as the name suggests, it is a beautiful romantic song, and I've come together with Vishal. Tanishq has done the music and the lyrics, and actually, this was going to be the first song of my EP, but we're not doing the EP, but I'm still going to be having releases every month. So this one is the closest and the most special one, and that's why we come out with it first. And who better than Sparsh and Pratibha to have featured in the video alongside with me? Uh, it's just I think the perfect combination, and we've shot the video in Leh. So all in all, it's a beautiful looking, beautiful sounding song.
What appealed to you for the song?
I think, sir, I got sold out first on the song. Then I wanted to work with T-Series. Then coming to know that it's going to be shot in Ladakh. तो लद्दाख जाने का जब मौका मिलता है मैं तो हाँ कह देता हूँ. So these three was a mix of saying a yes.
And I think for me, it's a very fresh music video. And I like really related a lot with the video because you know, दो लोग हैं जो घूम रहे हैं, and I've been doing that all my life, and it's like so amazing being there on set with both of them.
So then it says Sacha Wala love. So what are the other type of love that have you heard of? Like, is there a what you call jhoota type of love as well?
झूठा वाला लव तो अभी आजकल हर जगह ही होता है. That's why I'm emphasizing on सच्चा वाला प्यार. I think every girl out there will connect with me because I'm that kind of a person that I totally believe in true love, being there for each other, happy endings. So yeah, I think ये मेरी personality और मेरे साथ बहुत resonate किया, and hence I decided to do this song.
You said this song is special. Then what makes a song special or great according to you?
I think what the song makes you feel, and एक बहुत simple और आसान गाना भी आपको छू सकता है. So अगर if some melody and lyrics touch me, even though they are very simple, like सच्चा वाला प्यार is a very simple hook line, but I think the melody is very beautiful. Tanishq has crafted it beautifully. So yeah, something that touches me becomes special.
Would you like to give us a few lines of the song?
Yeah, sure. एक तुझसे ही इकरार करके बैठी सबको मैं इनकार करके याद तो कर एक बार मैनू माहिया थक गई मैं तो इंतजार करके चाहदा ना मैनू झूठा प्यार मुंडिया ना चाहिदी मैनू लंबी कार मुंडिया मैनू बस एक सोना यार चाहिदा तेरे जैसा एक दिलदार चाहिदा दुनिया है मैनू लगदी बेकार जो तू एक बारी मैनू मिल जाए यार हाँ दिल ये कहे जी 100 बार कि सच्चा वाला प्यार चाहिदा रब दी मैं करा मिन्नता हजार कि तू एक बारी मैनू कर ले प्यार हाँ दिल ये कहे जी 100 बार कि सच्चा वाला प्यार चाहिदा.
Oh, lovely.
Thank
Lovely
you.
poem. I hope we'll make many versions of it.
Thank you.
Maybe probably with same song, like little comical. Like सस्ता वाला प्यार. महंगा
सच्चा वाला
प्यार.
झूठा वाला सस्ता वाला महंगा वाला कुछ भी कैसा भी बना लो प्यार तो प्यार ही रहेगा.
You make your version of it.
Your
But
version.
I have to ask the actors here. The audience are in love, really in love with the character that you played in Lapata Ladies. I'm talking about Deepak and Jaya.
Jaya.
Do you think if this music video can also be called as Lapata Ladies 2.0?
That's a
No,
new
I think
name.
this is Sacha Wala
This is
Pyar.
Sacha Wala
सच्चा
Pyar.
वाला प्यार.
I think the film says a different message and here we are trying to say a different message. तो ये सच्चा वाला प्यार के नाम से ही जाना चाहिए.
Yeah.
Sure.
Same thing, definitely.
And they look very different. The
Different
whole
from
look
the-
and the
yeah,
vibe
all
is
glammed
very
up.
very different.
Were you
Very
missing
innocent.
fool while shooting the song?
सर ये आपने पकड़ लिया.
Of course.
नहीं, of course we miss her every day. I think
Yeah.
we have spent a lot of time on set. और मैं और फूल काफी गाने गाते थे in fact.
कौन सा
While
वाला
being
गाना
on
गाते
set.
थे?
बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं, and a lot of songs there.
Yeah.
How your life changed post the release of Lapata Ladies?
I think it's been very beautiful. जैसा हमें ऑडियंस से प्यार मिल रहा है, इंडस्ट्री में जैसा प्यार मिल रहा है, कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि इतना कुछ हो जाएगा. एंड ऑफ कोर्स जब हमारी फिल्म रिलीज़ हुई, हमें ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली टी सीरीज़ के साथ म्यूज़िक वीडियो करने की, इट फील्स लाइक अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू.
सर इक्वली मतलब वेल सेड. आई थिंक एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था कि पिक्चर इतनी बड़ी हिट हो जाएगी और लोगों को इतना पसंद आएंगे हम. एंड बहुत ही अनरियल फील होता है, बट काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है अंदर कि लोगों का प्यार मिल रहा है.
You know, Tulsi, this is a non-film song. Do you think it's the film song, the Bollywood, that gives a wider audience to a song, and actually gives a longevity to the singer?
So I have been a playback singer first, and now I'm doing independent singles. So for me, definitely Bollywood is the core where I started from. But each to their own. I think there are a lot of independent artists today who are doing extremely well on the basis of their independent songs. So definitely the scenario is changing, very quickly. Like earlier it was just if you have a Bollywood song, you get that reach. But now there are independent songs that are becoming very, very huge. So I think each to their own. But for me, I come from the Bollywood route.
Yeah,
So for me, that will always, be my core, as much as I love doing independent, because here you can express and emote yourself differently. Whereas in Bollywood, you're more confined to the kind of situation that you're singing for, the actor or actress that you're giving your voice for.
To the actors, this feels like standing at a railway station with Deepak and Jaya. And for your fans, would you please like to reenact
Where is
that
the train?
scene of platform
In the railway
where she was leaving?
मैं अच्छा हाँ, जब तू उसको गुंजन को बोलता है अभी तुम ही चले जाओ साथ.
That's the bus.
The
Bus
one after
scene.
ticket wala. The
हाँ,
one
the bus.
ticket.
That's the bus, not the train.
That's the
Bus
bus. Sorry.
wala.
Yeah. And action.
माफ़ कीजिएगा, बहुत तकलीफ दिया मैं आपको.
सपना देखने का माफी नहीं मांगते.
चलते हैं.
And then the best part is she's touching the feet.
And then
And then Gunjan is like,
मुड़ती हूँ.
आती रहना. Sir, I don't remember the lines.
And finally, you're from Shimla, and Shimla is a place where Geet from Jab We Met went and worked.
yeah.
And we saw during the song "Aaoge Jab Tum
साजना.
Saajna." Do people go to that place and talk about? Is it like a movie map there now in Shimla?
इनफैक्ट 3 इडियट्स की शूटिंग मेरे स्कूल में हुई थी और मेरी ही क्लासरूम में हुई थी. तो हमने उसके बाद मेरी क्लासरूम का नाम हमने स्टार क्लास रख दिया था, सेइंग कि यहाँ से कोई बॉलीवुड पक्का जाएगा. एंड नाउ ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स आर लाइक मैसेजिंग मी, डू यू रिमेंबर दैट, डू यू रिमेंबर दैट. सो ऐसा होता रहता है बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल प्लेस. और जब कुछ ऐसा होता है इट फील्स लार्जर देन लाइफ बिकॉज यू हैव नॉट सीन इट समवेयर. आपके लिए बहुत ही फार फेच थॉट है. ऐसा होता है.
Well, on that note, I want to say thank you to all three of you for talking to me. All the
Thank
best,
you.
and all looking forward to what you do next. And in the end, would you please like to give us few lines of a favorite song? Maybe Sacha Wala Love?
Yes,
your
fans.
Sacha Wala Pyar. All three of us
Yeah,
together.
man. Let's go.
Right?
We'll be the chorus.
Let's do it. एक तुझसे ही इकरार करके बैठी सबको मैं इनकार करके याद तो कर एक बार मैनू माहिया थक गई मैं तो इंतजार करके चाहदा ना मैनू झूठा प्यार मुंडिया ना चाहती मैनू लंबी कार मुंडिया मैनू बस एक सोना यार चाहिदा तेरे जैसा एक दिलदार चाहिदा दुनिया है मैनू लगदी बेकार जो तू एक बारी मैनू मिल जाए यार हाँ दिल ये कहे जी 100 बार कि सच्चा वाला प्यार चाहिदा रब दी मैं करा मिन्नता हजार कि तू एक बारी मैनू कर ले प्यार हाँ दिल ये कहे जी 100 बार कि सच्चा वाला प्यार चाहिदा
चाहे कर ले तू नखरे हजार ना मुझसे
तमिल
दूर
part.
तू जायो मेरे यार के दिल ये कहे जी 100 बार कि सच्चा वाला प्यार चाहिदा।
Thank you.